Here's how you can simply fix your mobile data not working on your Samsung phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to go over to your settings. Once you do that, click on the connections option right over here. And then click on mobile, or rather click on data usage. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to click on mobile data usage for the SIM card you're using. If you're using SIM 1, click on SIM 1. If you're using SIM 2, click on SIM 2. So click on it. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to click on this gear icon right over here at the top right of your screen. Once you do that, you want to make sure you turn off set data warning or set data limit depending on your phone. Click on switch off the set data limit right over here. It should be this one right over here. The set data limit option, make sure you turn this off. So it might be on. What you want to do is that you want to make sure you turn it off. So turn off the set data limit. Once you do that, you can then now go back and then back again. Then what you want to do now is that you want to go over to the data saver option and make sure that you turn this off. So it might be on, but make sure you turn it off. And then you can go back. And now what you're going to do now is you're going to check if your network is working. If your mobile data is still not working, what you can do again is you can simply go over to your mobile networks. So simply click on mobile networks. And then what you're going to do now is that you want to make sure that you turn on data roaming if you're overseas or if you're abroad. And then if that doesn't work again, you can simply go back and then back again. Then what you're going to do now is that you're going to scroll down. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to go over to general management, which is right over here. And then you want to click on the reset option. Then click on reset mobile network settings. Then you can then simply select the SIM card you want to use and click on reset settings. And then what you're going to do after resetting your settings, that you want to long press your power button and simply restart your phone, and that should fix your problem. If this video helped you out, or if you tried one of the methods and it worked, please comment down below if it worked. If it didn't, comment if it still didn't work, and we'll find other options to help you solve your problem. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in further tutorials.